I'm trying. Okay? I gotta drive.
Just leave them on.
That's fucking snow, dude.
There's no way it can be snow.
Well, this is not hail.
I don't know what it is. It's 48 degrees here.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Stay in them tire ruts.
I am, baby.
What the fuck?
I saw it. I saw it.
I saw it too from way over there.
But I was just like, I don't know what the fuck it is.
I thought it was just like a gravel road or something.
I thought it was like maybe an illusion.
Oh boy.
I'm just gonna go real slow, okay?
Yeah, I know,
Just
but
let me drive. It's starting to lighten up now. It's not as bad here as it was back there.
yeah.
And up here, it's clear up
As
here.
long as you got some bottom to it.
And there is, and it's done over here.
Fucking wild.
That has to be snow. Was it so cold up here when it was rain, it froze it immediately? Can't be.
47 degrees. I don't know, man.
It's crazy.
Fucking weird.
Very weird. He's handling it really good, though.
Yeah. Wow.
I gotta get those wipers off. It's too much. It clears out down here.
Yeah, okay.
What the fuck?
That freaked me out, man.
Me too. I came up on it. I'm like, whoa! This is fucking snow or ice. I mean, it's sitting over in the...
Yeah.
all over there, too.
Yeah.
Look.
It's insane.
And then it's like gone. Up here, it's like gone. What the hell? I'm trying to see if it looks like hail, but I can't fucking see.
That's the only thing I could think of. It's gotta be hail, but that's a lot.
It is hail.
Is it?
Look at their pellets. Oh, hell yeah. You know what? It's freezing rain. It's freezing rain pellets today.
I can't really tell.
It looks like it's freezing rain pellets. So it's so cold up here because the rain's dropping. It was freezing rain.
I guess.
That's what it was. That's what it is. Because that's not hail.